You're here at the Mouse Vibes and we're back at the Disneyland Resort on a peak sold-out day.
Listen, we all know that Disneyland is busy and the days of it being slow at the park are done. But there's no need to stress.
Today we're going to show you that you don't always need to overly plan your visit, give you our best tips and tricks to navigating a sold-out day, and we're not going to use Genie Plus.
Welcome back to another Mouse Vibes video. It is a packed Saturday here at Disneyland. This could be some people's worst nightmares, but today we're gonna enjoy. We're gonna head right into Mickey's ToonTown. We haven't been on Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway just yet. Hopefully the line's on like forever long. Let's go tackle the newest ride here at the Disneyland Resort. Back in ToonTown since it's reopened. It smells like plastic, it smells like dry paint, it smells like ToonTown, guys. All right, it's only a 50-minute wait to get on Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Does that make sense on a packed Saturday? I don't know, but we're gonna take full advantage of it.
I know some of you are probably doing a big old eye roll at home and you're like,
Mouse Vibes haven't been on Mickey and Minnie's yet.
And no, we haven't. Opening days give us a lot of anxiety and we're like, we're just gonna hold back. It was only a 45-minute wait. I'm so pumped about this line queue. I'm just really excited to like ride the ride 2 months later. Okay, we've been waiting about 33 minutes and this line queue is definitely true to form. We might even be waiting longer, but we went ahead and ordered the flip-flop pizza over at Daisy's Cafe while in line. We didn't make any reservations, we just did it in line and we're hoping that it syncs up with when we get off the ride.
Hi, come on in. I noticed these guys over here are recording the movie. It's a brand new movie. It hasn't come out in theaters yet. Hope you're not planning on bootlegging it now. Keep it good together, everyone's adventure inside the cartoon. Come on in, right this way. Look at that, to the trains it says, all right?
I don't remember it being this jerky to you. Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway line queue here at Disneyland Resort is 50 million times better than over at Hollywood Studios because that took forever. And a day. We were in line for about 75 minutes total. Not complaining, just letting you guys know. It said posted wait time of 45. It was 75, but it was really cool. 1, to be in AC, and 2, to see all the different rooms. Like, that was awesome. It was our first time experiencing it.
Now we're over here in the Fantasyland Theater area. The Lion King just let out, so we're about to eat our floppy pizza over here.
There's no tables over here, but there is shade. I've been dying to try this floppy pizza because everyone and their mom has told me that it's awesome, but...
Yeah, that looks great. There's nothing like greasy bag pizza to get your day started.
Very greasy. Okay. Oh, okay.
Great curb appeal too. Ashley, this looks like cafeteria pizza.
Listen, it doesn't look good, it smells delicious, okay? I don't know how I'm gonna... Let's just go for it. Okay. This is really good. The presentation is booty.com, but this is fire, bro. Any pizza I've had at the Disneyland Resort, Don't Kill the Messenger, has been booty. They're not known for their pizza here. This is the best pizza at Disneyland Resort. This is really good.
Hold on, better than anything in downtown Disney?
I like this better than Napoli's. Don't get
Naples?
Naples.
Napoli's?
Napoli's.
This is cafeteria food pizza. Like the soft dough on it, not a lot of sauce. The extra cheese is like the chemical cheese on it, which is really good, but I don't know. I like my pizza thin, little crunch to it, basically New York style. This to me is like 3 vibes. I get the appeal, but don't ever say there's great pizza at a theme park.
Oh my God. I like
real.
literally agree to disagree right now. I'm sorry, it's good. You went in for another bite, boo-boo. That's the beauty of a no planning a park day. We were able to get food. Nick's just being a little grumpy boo. The pizza's really good.
All right, I was a little hangry, but there are a few attractions closed right now at the Disneyland Resort. We actually rode the monorail in this morning and got to witness the construction firsthand over at the Matterhorn. I always forget how much work goes into the seasonal refurbishment for this attraction each year. Look for this iconic ride to open up June 1st. But with walls up and attractions closed, that means the characters were out.
Hello there, Peter. Hello there, Wendy. Where's Mary? Oh, she's off in London.
Incorporating the new Little Mermaid inside of the parks. It is so important, and these ears are gorgeous. Do I need my like 18th pair of Little Mermaid ears?
I think you do.
They're so cute. She's in there.
Yeah, there's so many details, and this is not a Dinklehopper. This is actually King Trident's trident in there. So that is really cool.
Dude, the pearl finish and the fact that her face and body are on the bow, like you don't really see that a lot with Disney princesses.
Not at all.
I can't name like any, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I can't name any ears that like physically have a princess's face in it. Can you?
I can't.
These are so cute.
Okay, a practical effect on a Loungefly bag, like, do you need that?
I'm gonna shout out, I won't name his name, my cast member friend who will give me a discount on this because I do need this. And the straps are film strips.
Oh my gosh.
Like, you know I love a good practical, but how cute is this? And it matches my highlighter.
Yes, it does.
I love this. Oh my God. How much is it? I bet it's like $1,000.
I'm gonna say $79.
88 bucks.
Ooh.
Yeah.
And then if you want to get the sweet plushies that go along with it to complete the look, they got you.
I've died and gone to Loungefly heaven. This is fire. Oh my gosh. Is this not amazing? This is awesome.
We just made it out of that store with little to no damage. If we're gonna buy stuff at the end of the night, that's probably the tip so I don't have to carry it around in my backpack all day. But Ashley was just telling me the secret to a busy day here at the Disneyland Resort.
You leave Disneyland and you go over to DCA and you get a cocktail boo-boo. So that's what we're gonna do right now. I can't wait. We're over here at Lamplight Lounge, and I don't know if you guys knew, but they actually have a to-go drink walk-up bar. We're waiting in line for it right now, and the reason we opted to do this over our usual Hollywood Lounge or Sonoma Terrace is here you can get any type of drink that you want. You can get a tequila shot, a slushy drink, whatever that you want in a to-go cup, which I would rather do that than getting a sugary drink. Did we have to wait a hot minute, like 20 minutes for that to-go line? Yes, we did, but I got a Neverland tea, which you could only get at Lamplight Lounge. My boo Tara got a Skinny Marg, which you could only get at Lamplight Lounge or Carthay Circle. Way less sugar, way less hassle. Definitely recommend that.
Yeah, I don't know if it's necessarily a tip or trick. It's a tip to get a good drink, but you're gonna have to wait, like anything in life.
You're gonna have to wait, and don't shoot the messenger. You're not allowed to take shots.
We made our way over to Boardwalk Pizza, and we never come to this area. One, it's a really short line for food, and two, they have a specialty pizza that I've had my eye on. This is the French onion soup pizza. It's gonna come with mozzarella, Gruyere cheese, caramelized onions, and thinly sliced roast beef with a side of au jus. You have to dip it.
Is Nick Roa putting sauce on it? Oh.
That's why I don't dip. It tastes just like French onion soup.
But did you like the sauce?
That au jus is so good. It's like perfect. It like really brings the flavor of the cheese. There's a nice crunch with the caramelized onions on here. This is excellent. I give it 5 vibes for sure.
Is it better than the flippy floppy pizza at ToonTown?
No offense to Daisy, it's boring and basic over there. Sorry.
Wow. Okay. That's one of the best things about coming over to Boardwalk Pizza is there's never a wait. You can get an ice cold Bud Light.
No way.
Yes way!
You can get a salad, you can get pizza, pasta, whatever. The biggest tip though, screenshot your magic key if you do have a discount because there's no service over here. Screenshot that bad boy so it doesn't take you 14 years and having to walk out to get service on the app and go back in for your discount.
Yeah.
Can we all just praise Nick for becoming a sauce prince? You're not a king yet, but you're a prince.
I'm actually loving that because if I'm a prince, I have something to look forward to. Of being the king, when you're the king, there's nothing to look forward to. You're already there.
So it's so busy that the entire resort ran out of chicken breast for salads. So I was gonna get a chicken Caesar and I ended up getting an Italian salami salad. There's a little flower of meat in here. We like good presentation, let's try it. Look at all the fixings. I really like this, and I love that there's some surprise pepperoncinis on this. I love pepperoncinis. I'm gonna give this 5 vibes. I'm not gonna feel like crap after I eat this either.
And it really is the rose that put it on. There's nothing like a meat rose to set your down.
Oh, I love me some meat roses. Why don't you get me meat roses?
I'm gonna do that from now on.
Thank you. We've done this in 2 other videos, and we just have to reiterate, if you're having a busy day and you are rushed, don't worry. To the right of the main churro cart, 2 seconds before magic happens. Do not get mad at me. It is what it is. I know people wait, but if you are stressed for time, if you're at your reservation, you're waiting for a drink,
Your kid has to go potty.
this is a last minute result.
And magic is about to happen.
And magic is about to happen. Hate the playa, don't hate the game.
Is that how it goes?
Don't hate the game, hate the player.
Don't hate the game, hate the player. Don't hate the game, hate the player.
Ever.
The best thing about this, it's Steph's first time watching Magic Happens. The spot works every single time. Steph, you got to watch your first Magic Happens parade. What did you think?
I am obsessed.
Yes.
Dude, I love it. Our girl Steph's first time ever seeing Magic Happens. We're like, what? We need to take you to our secret spot. Secret spot, 10 out of 10.
Yes.
5 vibes.
All right, Ashley was not joking. It's 25 minutes to get on Big Thunder Mountain.
When is Big Thunder 25 minutes on a sold out Saturday? Never. It's because we ran here after the biggest parade. Kids are tired, parents are annoyed. Let's get it.
And Tony Baxter gave us the pro tip. Gonna wrap up our day here at the Disneyland Resort.
Listen, when you're at Disneyland, if you're having a bad time, you're not doing it right, boo-boo. No matter how busy it is, you're gonna have the best time.
I think if there's one thing that we learned today on a busy day is not to stress. Go in with the best hopes. Use that mobile order app on the Disneyland app and have the best day ever. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps us grow, and if not,
Thanks for stopping by.